If you want to know why Polygon could suddenly become the talk of crypto, stay tuned, as today's video takes an in-depth look at the actual data showing its big comeback. I'm talking epic net inflows that leave competitors in the dust, skyrocketing adoption in everyday payments, leadership in real-world assets, BlackRock jumping on board, juicy airdrops for stakers, exciting ecosystem drops, and my detailed chart analysis pointing to potential profits. No hype, just facts from recent updates that'll help you decide if Polygon is your next smart move. As someone who's been in this since the early days, I believe Polygon's fundamentals are stronger than ever. Let's break it down step by step. Look at this chart from Artemis. Polygon is obliterating the field with over $54 billion in all-time net flows. Arbitrum's at $48 billion positive, but Polygon's stacking inflows like a boss, proving its stablecoin empire is expanding fast. Others like Solana and Sonic are positive too, but nowhere near Polygon's lead. If you're holding POL, this should make you excited. Real money is pouring in. Switching to DeFi Llama, Polygon's total value locked in DeFi sits at $1.5 billion. Stablecoin's market cap is $2.7 billion. Active addresses hit over 600,000 in the last 24 hours, with inflows at $7 million. For newcomers, TVL means how much crypto is locked in smart contracts on the chain, showing trust and usage. Polygon's holding strong here, especially with its low fees making it user-friendly. Polygon's official post nails it. Real-world adoption starts with real usage. They're leading in small P2P payments with 36% market share and gaining in medium ones at 21%. P2P means person-to-person transfers, like sending money to a friend via crypto, fast, cheap, trusted. Charts show steady growth since late 2024. People are using Polygon for everyday stuff because of its low fees and reliability. If you're tired of high gas on other chains, this is why Polygon matters for regular folks. In Latin America, Polygon's becoming a go-to, as Artemis highlights. Companies like BlindPay Labs and Avenio are driving adoption. The chart shows transfer volumes climbing from almost zero in late 2023 to almost $300 million monthly now, with apps like Lemon Cash, Buenbit, BlindPay, Bitso, and Avenida Pay stacking up. Shout out to those maintaining the data. It's clear Latin America is embracing Polygon for crypto apps, fueling real economic activity in the region. Dee's post says it all. Polygon's positioning as the chain for RWAs, real-world assets like tokenized stocks or bonds on blockchain. It's now ranked number 1 in tokenized assets, surpassing Ethereum, with $398 million total value. Last month, they allocated 1 billion POL tokens in community grants for RWA and AI builders. This shows serious long-term commitment. Buying Polygon now? In my opinion, it's a great idea. You're still early on this adoption wave. Peter's update is huge. Polygon just became BlackRock's biggest playground outside Ethereum. Their BUIDL stablecoin, backed by U.S. Treasuries, has $68 million circulating on Polygon, up 292% month-over-month. That's more than Arbitrum, Optimism, Avalanche, and Aptos combined. Market cap's $2.4 billion total, with Polygon at 2.85% share. This definitely means traditional finance giants trust Polygon, bringing stability and growth. No futuristic shares exciting news, beyond Katana and billions. Network airdrops to Polygon staking providers on mainnet validators, more are coming. A DePIN project, decentralized physical infrastructure, think Demo or Wi-Fi maps, could be Polygon-backed. Staking your POL tokens pays off here. Diagram shows airdrops flowing to POL staking providers from Billions, Midden, Katana, and more. If you're staking, this is extra incentive. Polygon's post on GYME highlights the Wilder ecosystem shipping. Metropolis powers the Wilder World on-chain economy on Z-chain with native AgLayer interop, basically seamless connections between chains. Other drops like Cypher, YME.Fun, and Wild Futures Trading. Turn on Wilder World notifications. It's aggregated gaming on Polygon. This ecosystem is fueling real innovation. Now, my 3-day POL USDT chart. Price hovers at 25 cents. I anchored Fibonacci from December high to April low. Important levels like the 236 at 30 cents. Orange dashed lines. Descending trend line rejected in May and June, broken upside in July, now ascending support at June and August lows. Price is trying to break the 55 EMA, purple line. EMA is exponential moving average, smoothing price trends. Next, 100 EMA, yellow line. Now around 31 cents, my first take profit zone. Green square, buy zone from 20 to 26 cents. Still decent entry. Super trend indicator is green since July, support at 17 cents. Use as a stop loss if you bought Polygon in the previous videos from July and April. Heikinashi RSI printing its fifth green candle bullish. VRVP point of control at 24 cents. That's why it's difficult for the price to break through this level. I'm taking profits at 30 cents, 40, 50, 75 cents, and $1.15. If weekly closes below ascending line, invalidate short-term, accumulate at 17 cents again. Never financial advice, but I'm in long-term. Project is solid. Polygon is not just another chain. It's leading with inflows, adoption, and innovation. This data screams potential. Act wisely, do your research. If this helped, hit the like button, comment your targets on Polygon, and subscribe for more daily yields. Check my previous Polygon videos for the full story. Thanks for watching. You're building your future here.